Hey everyone, Technoman here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the call recording feature on iOS 18. So let's get started. Now, in order to enable this feature, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting on your iPhone. Make sure you update it to iOS 18. And after you've done that, you're going to want to go down to where it says apps. And then you're going to look for the phone app itself. So you can search for it here. Always search it by the name up here. Click on phone in alphabetic order here. You're going to down here. There's an option for call recording now that will show up, and it should be already on by default. If it's not, you want to turn this toggle on to enable recording. Now, once you have done that, the next thing you'll be able to do is show you how to do a call recording. You're going to go into your phone app like you would, go find a contact, and then from there on, you're just going to simply click on it and tap on this, and it should start a call. Here I have a phone as a demo that you can see the call is going through. I'm going to go ahead and answer it on that call. And then in order to start recording, all I do is tap on that icon up top here that will say call recording started, and then the call will be recording like that. And we have enabled and starting to use call recording, which will also transcribe and save it into our notes once we stop it. And we can go ahead and open up, end this call, and then open up the notes app here. And we can see here our recent call was here. We can play it back and we can see the transcription as well available for us. Now, if you don't see this option yet on your phone, there is two reasons why you're not seeing it. First reason is going to be this feature is available on iOS 18.1, which is not public yet. This is a beta version that we're running on this phone. So if I go here, go to about, you'll see it's 18.1, but this is the beta version. We need 18.1 on your phone. If you updated your phone, it's most likely on 18.0 because 18.1 hasn't come out yet. It's a feature that's coming on to your phone, and we just can do it after it comes out. Now, another thing is your phone has to be one that has a dynamic island. If it doesn't have a dynamic island, it will not be able to do that. So even with 18.1, if you have a phone with the notch like this, you will not be able to get the call recording feature, is what Apple has advertised. It might change yet, but this is what the current way is, the only way you can actually enable and record calls. So that's how you enable and record calls. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.